And you can see where this is going. We are gonna jump into, oh, look at that. That's actually different. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and say, I get this error. Please add any print statements into the code that you need, and I can send back the prints so you can debug. And then what I want to do here is look into the this Solana.py. You can see they're all using soldiers. Oh, I should just give it all this code. That's what I should do for sure. For shizzle. Can you just copy it right there? Copy raw file. Okay, that's dope. We'll use that later. I mean, let's go ahead and get this area real quick. I did this circle a few times already, so I know that it's not working the way I'm approaching it, which is fine. It's fine, because we're gonna work on it today. Above is, let's do it in caps. Above is the error. Below is from the Solana.py GitHub, which should be the most up to date examples of how to do this, so you can then update the code to work. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the most up-to-date code here, and this is just from the Solana.py WebSockets, which we're not using WebSockets, but I'm not opposed to it if it works. So let's go ahead and see what happens here. So based on the provided Solana.py GitHub examples, it seems these examples are for testing purposes and involve advanced features like WebSocket subscriptions for various blockchain events. These tests are primarily for internal library functionality and might not directly translate to fetching wallet holdings. Dang. However, the error you encountered, error blah blah blah, invalid param, invalid. In the API response suggests there's an issue with the parameters sent to the RPC. This could be due to the malformed requests or incorrect data types for the parameters. Given this context, let's focus on correcting the initial RPC call to fetch the token accounts by owner. We need to ensure the request parameters are correctly formatted according to the Solana JSON RPC API's expectations. The correct parameter structure for the get token accounts by owner method involves the owner's public key and object specifying the program ID of the token program and an option for the response encoding. Here's an updated version of the function with the additional print statements for debugging. Okay, so unfortunately, what I pasted in there didn't matter. But it looks like we got a new shot at this, so let's go ahead and see what's Gucci. Okay, so same. Let's paste it in there, and let's go ahead and while that looks through that, let's go search through this a little bit. Solana.py. Let's make this a little bigger. The Solana Python SDK. Solana.py is a base Python library for interacting with Solana. You can use it to build transactions, interact with Solana RPC, much like you would with the Solana WebJS. It covers the SPL token program, latest documentation. Let's open that up. This library uses many core types of soldiers package, which use